Hello friends and family. I love my JBL headphones. Yes, I do. I have many hours of uninterrupted music listening with these. Yes, I do. Don't have to worry about the noise. They're comfortable for my ears. Yes, I absolutely love them. And I'm not disturbing anyone else around me. No, I'm not. So here I go. I love my JBL. Yes, I do. These are great, and I love the Bluetooth compatibility. Yes, absolutely great. And you know, they would make a wonderful gift. Yes, they would. So, this is Sandra B at Mia Moore Now She's Cooking, and I'll talk to you again soon. Have a wonderful day.